Viewers, the latest news about the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine is that viewers, talks between Russian and Ukrainian delegations are underway as Russian President Putin ordered his country's deterrence forces, including nuclear arms, be placed on high alert. And Ukraine has asked to urgently join the European Union and demanded Russian troops withdraw from the country. Whereas and Kyiv's intelligence suggests Belarus is prepared to join the Russian invasion, according to a Ukraine official. And Russian forces are facing stiff resistance with slowing momentum in northern Ukraine, while invading troops are having a little bit more success in the south. Viewers, the latest update is that as furious fighting continued across Ukraine today, Kyiv said it would push for a ceasefire at talks with officials from Moscow. And the meeting on the Belarusian border comes after President Putin ordered his nuclear deterrent forces to be on high alert, a huge escalation in Russia's confrontation with Western powers who have increased their supply of lethal aid to Ukraine and imposed crippling financial sanctions. And on Sunday, the European Union made the unprecedented move to finance the purchase of delivery of lethal weapons to aid the Ukrainian resistance. And the effect of sanctions was felt across Russia as the value of the ruble went into free fall and Moscow's central bank raised interest rates from 9.5 to 20% to protect people's savings. And the United States is expanding sanctions on Russia's central bank in a move that will block Americans from doing any business with it and freezing any assets it holds in the United States. And in a statement today, the Treasury said the decision would apply to the Central Bank of the Russian Federation, the National Wealth Fund of the Russian Federation, and the Ministry of Finance of the Russian Federation. And it said United States was also adding Russian Direct Investment Fund chief executive officer who it referred to as a known Putin ally to the sanctions list. And the European Union has warned that Belarus could start hosting Russian nuclear weapons after a dangerous decision at a referendum to drop the country's non nuclear status. And the European Union's foreign policy chief Joseph Borrell said, "We know that what does it mean for Belarus to be nuclear? It means Russia will put nuclear weapons in Belarus, and this is a very dangerous path." And a convoy of the Belarusian Army's 38th Air Assault Bridge near Kobrin in the Brest region, almost all vehicles are marked with red squares. And video about it you can see on your screen. Whereas European Union defense ministers are set to discuss plans later to jointly finance deliveries of weapons worth 500 million euros to Ukraine. And these will include a range of defensive arms aimed at helping assist Kyiv's efforts to repel Russian forces. And the bloc's foreign policy chief says member states have to provide these arms and they have to coordinate with what they are doing. And with these resources, Joseph Borrell said ahead of the virtual meeting of the bloc's defense ministers. Whereas the fight in furious Kiev is resisting and Russia is paying a high toll in number of casualties. But we have to provide the munitions. We have to provide the high caliber guns and anti-tank equipment. Also fuel for the tanks, for the planes, and all that has to be coordinated. And according to the latest reports from Ukraine sources, another Russian Mi-35 downed in Kherson Oblast. Reports coming that Ukrainian army downed Russian Mi-35 helicopter in Kherson Sahe village. And about it, a video is also received from many sources. Let's watch the video, then we talk further.
Сбившийся вертолет, который упал на близнецы. Так, ведь а ну здесь. Капец, короче, грубый металл. Разлетелось, блядь, нормально. Боеприпасы, пулемет. Все дела, смотри, как хуярят. Нифига себе, смотри. Ба. Разлетелось, короче, все.
Whereas Ukrainian farmer steals Russian soldiers' tanks using his tractor. And a video about it you can see on your screen. Thanks for watching.
Молодці! Крас.
Это, блядь, хит, нахуй, пиздец. Пиздили технику, блядь. Охуеть.